Okay, so I actually went online and I did a few things. It's been like a 2-day process where I took the unit, this same unit that was glued on. You saw me in the video. I actually went ahead and went back in with the liquid gold and put it back on after I cleaned everything. Showed you the cleaning process with the glue. Now I can show you the cleaning process with the liquid gold. So that's what I have on here. You saw me, I was putting it on my live with some of the, you know, sometimes I go live with my customers, sometimes I go live with, you know, people that just use the product, just so that, you know, people can see how easy it is to do. But now I need to make sure you guys understand, like, this is not glue. This one here is not glue, the liquid gold. It's not glue, and it can be removed with just water. Okay, so I got the liquid gold on here. I put it on yesterday and I did it like I was telling you, I did it on my live Instagram. So I had it on overnight. I usually take it off at night, but I kind of wanted to leave it on so that I can, you know, get it, you know, so it just really settle on there. And this was just the liquid gold. And I'm going to remove it just with water. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the lace. I kind of done that on my Instagram, but I want to kind of like do it on here. It's real easy, even though I say, hey, yeah, you can take it off with water, but people want to see that. So just gonna spray it, wet it with water, and I did put it on yesterday. Make sure you're not pulling at anything, guys. I notice a lot of people like are in a rush these days. You gotta take your time. Gotta take your time. Take your time. Do it right. Of course, if you know, tilt your head back so you don't get it. Like, it's still stuck, and I done sprayed the whole thing. It's coming up now, but I mean, just look at that. I didn't spray water across the whole front, and it's still on here. And I really don't like to, if it's not budging, this is not even glue, guys. It's not even like budging for real, but spray it some more. And I'm not gonna wet this whole thing because when I do the liquid gold, I really don't even wash the wig. Like, I hope y'all don't think bad of me, but I'm only gonna rinse the front off. And I'm gonna show you that. See, it's still like stuck. I don't want to pull on my hair. I need it to slide. That's the one thing you guys need to understand. Like, it needs to slide. There's peach fuzz on your face, and you do not want to pull that out or you're gonna look bald. I just have a lot of face space, so I can get away with a lot. All right, so it's off. And I left it on because I feel like when I take it right off, you guys wouldn't have seen the residue that's on there. But that is all that I have on here. So I had to leave it on overnight so it could, some residue could stick to it, so I would have something to show you guys. And as far as my face, it's a little sticky, and I could just wipe that off. So I'll just get a towel and I'll wipe that off. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. I'm not going to use any alcohol. This is just water on this towel. And that's it. Just wiping it off. And it's done. Like, and I can even take the liquid gold, like hairs that are sticking up, I can take that, smooth that back and go, you know. You don't have to, like, I rarely, like, when I'm wearing that, I don't even, like, wash my braids. I really like to wash my hair every 2 weeks. I don't like to wash my hair every week. Just every 2 weeks. So that's why I like the liquid gold for my lifestyle. But as far as me being an educator and showing people how to use different adhesives, I do have to, you know, show you guys how to use all of the adhesives. And you have to pretty much pick what's going to work for you. That's why we did that product knowledge video, so you guys can check that out if you get a chance, because it'll tell you what'll work for your lifestyle. Okay, so I don't want y'all to judge me too bad, but if y'all want to judge me, y'all can. So what I'm doing is I'm parting off the front part because I'm not about to wash this wig. Do not tell anybody. I'm parting off the front because I'm going to put it under the water, warm water, and I'm just gonna rinse that residue out. I don't want to wet the back of the wig, so I'm just taking warm water and I'm only wetting the front. I'm not wetting anything else. I'm just rinsing this out. That's it. This is so easy, guys. Like, you guys are gonna love this. If you haven't already got into it, you're gonna love it. It's so simple. Like, I do this with no problem. But I do understand that we are all different and we all need different things, and that's why we try to provide that for you guys. Something for people daily, something for people that, you know, everybody is not hair savvy. So they may need that glue, you know. Everybody can't do this. Like, it seems simple for some, but for some it's really hard. And we understand that everybody can't handle glue. Everybody can't handle, you know, having to do their hair every day. All right, so you see it's off. Let me get a towel so you can see it better. Okay, so I have my towel and I'm just gonna like towel dry it, blot it out. And you'll see it's all clean. Nothing there. It's all clean. Like, that's super easy. You can't freaking beat that. Okay, so I have my lace tint. Everything is all cleaned up as far as I'm concerned, and what I want to do is go in with the lace tint. If you saw me on previous videos, you saw that I had you know, customized this, and I didn't really need a lot of tint, but I felt like I wanted to put just a little bit, just in case I get kickback from the camera with the white halo. You could do makeup, you could do lace tint. It's totally up to you. I like both. Okay, guys, so I'm molding it back. You can, sometimes I don't even use mousse. Sometimes I just comb it back and I'll let it dry overnight. I may not put it under a dryer because you saw there wasn't a lot of water, and it's pretty much, it can dry on its own. Your wigs actually last longer when you allow them to just air dry. So I can let this air dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the dryer on it because I'm gonna put it back on right away. So let's dry it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my liquid gold and I'm going to just, like, all of my little baby hairs. I have like I got the meanest hairline. And I just have the meanest hairline. Like, I really mean. It's mean because I got so much face space. And like I always like speak about, like, trend and stuff like that. People with big foreheads, like, we got so much space to work with. But like, if you pay attention to my YouTube, I also show low hairlines how to work around it too, because keep in mind, this was created for people without hair, but we love to finesse and it can be done. Okay, I'll dry the liquid gold with my dryer, and then I'll place my hair on my head so I know where I'm going to be placing the liquid gold. Okay, so I'm ready to do my install using the liquid gold. I always start in the middle. I'll actually link the video above where we actually show you step by step on using the liquid gold. I usually dry it just a little, and then I'll place the lace on there and I'll finish drying it so that it is not moving. Then I'll do the left and the right side the same way. This is super easy, guys. It literally takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to put this on, probably more, 5 minutes. It's so easy to put on, easy to take off. We have a lot of customers telling us that they're wearing it more than just one day. The most I've heard of a client wearing it was up to 6 days, and she was using a skin protect to kind of like block out the sweat. Once you're done with that left side, then you want to go ahead and do the right side, or vice versa. It's totally up to you which one you want to start first. I just like to do everything in sections. I feel like I have more control. I'm not rushing. I'm not actually laying the layer, you know, across my entire face. I'm just doing one section at a time. You don't need several layers. The layer that I had on previously before I've taken this wig off was just one layer, and you're gonna get the amazing whole. So make sure you check out that video, guys. It's super easy, and you can order from our website at www.thehairdiagram.com. New product coming soon. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of this on the edge. It really does the same thing, except for the consistency is different. So some people may like this. So we'll be doing some demos with this before we release it. But I'm going to go in and you can see it right here. It's nice. Real nice. Yeah, so you'll be able to choose which one that you rather work with. I'm just gonna hit these baby hairs just a little bit. I'm not doing a lot. I'm not a baby hair fan, so I just kind of do something like that, and then I blow dry it afterwards, and then you can tie it down. I don't really do a lot of tying down, but you can, like, if that works for you. This is not lifting up or anything like that. So this is really great on the baby hair. This is our boho jelly. It can also lay the lace as well, and I will do some videos on that. Okay, so check that hairline. Yes, she in there. Now, you notice I didn't use a skin protect because I'm gonna take my wig off tonight. Right now, so I can take a break, and everybody needs a break. I think it's a great idea. Everybody needs a break, so hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so you see I did not use the skin protect. I plan on taking this off tonight. And I'm gonna rinse it like I just did and put it on the mannequin head and put it back on in the morning because I just checked my schedule. I don't have any glue promo to do for about 2 days. So I'm gonna be taking my wig on and off using the liquid gold. Now, if you plan on keeping yours on for a couple days, I've had people tell me they've been wearing it for a week. It's going to be different for everybody, but you pretty much, once you get used to using it, you're going to see that you're going to get a better hold each time you do it because you're getting used to the product. But if you need more than a day hold, go ahead and use the Skin Protect. Y'all got to get into these flat irons. Shator Pro. Like, it is, you hear that? It's going to shake. It's going to shake the kink. And that's with one pass through. Like, you can do several, but I just want y'all to see that one pass through. Yes, my favorite flat irons. We gotta have a moment of silence for Babyliss. Okay, so you can actually take your boho scarf, tie it down, finish styling the back of your hair. Some people like to use a scarf, and it's just totally up to you. If you feel like you get a better melt using a scarf, I can do it either way. I can go ahead, take it off. Look at that melt. Take it off, hair silked out. Yes. And she's ready. She's ready to go. Get into it. You guys could do this. Just take your time. Baby, take your time. Do it right. You can do it, baby. I can sing, right? Y'all got this. Too easy. Too easy. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on.